These holly bushes are a great example of attempting to consider the mature growth size of a bush when originally planted. If you look real close, these bushes, which are more like native hollies, by the way, the center of this one, which you can't really see that well, you can see it in the middle of the picture, that's 6 feet away from the wall. And then back further in here, you can see some planted quite a distance from the wall. So actually, in reality, these bushes were actually planted appropriately, but most times when people plant plants, bushes, especially against their house, they don't consider how large this is going to be later. Of course, they might just consider tearing out and starting over. I don't like that idea. I like keeping heirloom plants as long as possible, preserving them. So there you go. Think ahead.